Among the celebrities named in Jeffrey Epstein documents are Leonardo DiCaprio and Cameron Diaz. Numerous well-known Hollywood figures, including Leonardo DiCaprio and Cameron Diaz, are revealed in recently disclosed court records from the well-known Jeffrey Epstein case. Among the people mentioned in previously classified documents that were released on Wednesday are Kevin Spacey and Cate Blanchett. Regarding the financier who committed suicide in 2019, Bruce Willis is also named. He was charged with sex trafficking. The individuals on the list were those Epstein had identified as associates. There is no indication that any of them were aware of his misdeeds or engaged in illegal activity. Their mention merely indicates that the Hollywood celebrities were discussed in some capacity. It makes no accusations about wrongdoing. Epstein would be on the phone a lot at that time, according to one witness, who also mentioned that Epstein once remarked, "Oh, that was Leonardo," or "that was Cate Blanchett or Bruce Willis." The witness claimed not to have even laid eyes on DiCaprio. The public content that spans 2 decades is included in the documents. It includes books, documentaries, newspaper articles, and interviews regarding the Epstein affair. They unequivocally show Epstein was surrounded by famous people and had high-profile friends. In a New York court today, Judge Loretta Apriska revealed the more than 170 identities connected to the Jeffrey Epstein-Ghislaine Maxwell sex trafficking scheme. In addition to individuals not directly engaged but mentioned in passing, the names include victims of sexual abuse, witnesses in legal proceedings, and former employees of Epstein. The list was made public following Priska's examination of records that the Miami Herald had requested from a civil lawsuit that one of Epstein's victims had initiated and ultimately resolved. Judge Loretta Priska of New York ordered the unsealing of hundreds of papers, and she also ordered the publication of Maxwell's email account and a 30-page summary of Ms. Sjoberg's 2015 testimony. Many of the lawsuit's materials were made public in previous years, but the judge made decisions on Monday over what information might be made public about specific individuals listed in the records and about some of the data that were initially suppressed on possible privacy grounds. Among the well-known names in the records are Prince Andrew, Michael Jackson, Bill Clinton, and Donald Trump. Many of Epstein's accusers, employees who went to tabloid newspapers with their stories, witnesses at Maxwell's trial, people who were mentioned in passing during depositions but aren't charged with anything sensational, and those who looked into Epstein, including prosecutors, journalists, police detectives, and others who had no knowledge or involvement in Epstein's crimes, are among the individuals listed in the records.